How does compound interest work? This is Origin LGNs. Now, one LGN is just under $12. So imagine one LGN being like a Mars bar, a packet of crisps, something physical that you can actually count. So you've got 83 Mars bars. And if you put them into here, in 7 days, that 83 becomes 87. So you've gone up by about $27. In 4 weeks, you're going to have another few, 17 to be exact, which means it's nearly gone up to 1,200. So if you go to 6 months, it's starting to become a little bit better. So in 6 months, 83 becomes 263. So that's almost 200 LGNs. And it's gone up. So you've got, instead of 1,000, you've got 3,000. So in a year, it goes up to 10,000. Now, this is where the magic happens. If in 1 year it goes to 10,000, how much do you think it will be for 2 years? Now, in 2 years, because your little snowball has become big, it's 104 grand. So we're into the big figures now, and in 3 years, get this, and it goes to over 1 million. That is the joys of compounding with Origin LGNs. Obviously, this rate can go up or down. The LGNs can go up or down. But at the moment, it's that. If you want any more information, please do contact me.